Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus we have a glitch. Plus we have a DG clearance event to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up we're going to talk about the new Dollar General clearance event that is going on right now. Yes, you heard me correctly. It is going on right now. It actually started yesterday on Saturday, November the 5th, and it is going to run through Monday, November the 7th. So this one kind of snuck up on us, but don't worry, I have all the details and you guys still have plenty of time to get out there and grab up these deals. Now the good news is this is only a seasonal clearance event, so you all are not missing out on any great coupon matchups or anything like that. This is mainly focused on the Halloween items. So like I told you all last week, all the Halloween items are currently at 25% off, but during this Dollar General clearance event, all of those items are going to be an additional 50% off. So let's take a look at the list and see exactly what is included. So we have the Halloween candy, accessories, decor, masks and makeup, Halloween apparel, the Halloween trick-or-treat bags or buckets, Halloween costumes, and Halloween stationery and party items. All of those are going to be an additional 50% off during this clearance event. Alright, now this next portion is a Your Miles May Vary list. So this is really just going to depend on your store whether these items are included or not. But we also have the Harvest decor, kitchen, and rug items. Now this category does exclude the foil, the table runners, and the placemats. I'm not sure why I put placemats on there twice, but you know what? It's there. So if you guys see any of these items that you want to pick up, make sure that you scan them to double check that they are an additional 50% off at that specific store. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk about some coupons, shall we? So first up, let's take a look at our November insert schedule. So today, November the 6th, we should be receiving a new Smart Source insert and a Save insert in today's Sunday newspapers. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your file of 25 for Saturday. Now next, I have about 4 or 5 coupons on this account for the Vicks products. Not all accounts received these. If you didn't get them, you're not missing out on too much, but I'll go ahead and go over the prices. On the Vicks VapoCool Cough Drops 45 count, those are priced at $4.50. We have a 75-cent off one for the 18 count cough drops. Those are priced at $2, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.25. On the Vicks VapoRub jars, those are priced at $6. This one-off one for the VapoCool cough drops, that one doesn't even attach to anything. And then down here we have a $1.50 off one for the jars of the Vicks products as well. So those are priced at $9.50. So if you don't have those on your account, don't worry, you're not missing out. Alright, next up we have a one-off one for the Scott bath tissue. If you want to pick up the 6 count, I'm getting mixed prices on this. Those are priced at $3 or $3.60. So after the coupon you'll either pay $2 or $2.60 depending on your store. Or you can pick up the 12 count. Those are priced at $5. After the coupon you're going to pay $4. And we do still have that instant savings of $3 when you spend $16 on Scott products. Moving on down, we have a 3 off 2 for the Airwick scented oil products. So if you want to pick up the starter kits, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have a $1.25 off for the All or Snuggle products. So the All Free and Clear liquid laundry detergents, those are priced at $4.75, and then the prices go up from there. But if you guys will notice that this coupon doesn't expire until the end of November, and typically we will have a sale at some point on the All and Snuggle products. So definitely go ahead and clip that coupon and just hang on to it for now. Alright, there's that one-off one for the Colgate from last week. These are all coupons we went over last week, except for we did receive a new one-off one for the Gain laundry products, finally. So these are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Moving on down, we have a $1.50 off one for the Finish products. Again, we have had some amazing deals on these over the past few weeks with that Ibotta rebate. So if you want to pick up the 12 count Finish dishwasher tablets, those have went up in price to $3.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. If you still have that $1.25 Ibotta rebate, you're going to pay $1.10 after the rebate. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Colgate products. So if you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1. So that might be a good filler item for Saturday. We have a 3 off 1 for the Gain and Tide products. Those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. And we did receive a new 1 off 1 for the Cottonelle bath tissues. So the 12 count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. So we do have some pretty good deals this week. Next up, the Schick Intuition razors. Those have also went up in price. They are now $7.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Now, next up, we have a 5 off 1 for the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit. So if you guys watched Friday's video, you already know the deal. So if you want to pick up one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, try to find the apple cinnamon ones. Those are priced at $11.50. Use this 5 off 1 coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $6.50 out of pocket. But we do have that $5 rebate back on Ibotta, so that's going to make your final price just $1.50, which is a great deal. Keep in mind, this coupon doesn't expire until December the 3rd, so we've got some time to use that one as well. But that's going to be great to throw in with our 5 off $25 scenarios. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergent as well this week. So these are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 1 off 1 for the Suave body wash. Now, we do have a DG store coupon that will stack with this, but I don't think that it's, that great of a deal just yet. But these are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. 1 off 1 for the Angel Soft. So this does work on the 6 count mega rolls. These are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Now, I'm going to hold off on clipping this one for now, just until I can get into the store and see what they actually have on the shelf, because we do still have that $2.50 off 2 digital coupon, and in my book, that's just a better deal. We have a 1 off 1 for the Tide. Those are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. The Sparkle Paper Towels coupon, that was from last week. We have a 2 off 1 for the All and Purex. 6 off 2 for the Colgate multi-packs. Next up, we have 1 off 3 for the single boxes of Kleenex. So these are priced at $1.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.05 for 3 boxes. Then we have a 1 off 2 for the Snickers singles. These are priced at $1.25 each, so pick up 2. Use the coupon. You're going to pay $1.50 for 2. We have a 1 off 1 for the Downy products. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a 1 off 1 for the Dial body washes. If you want to pick up the 11 ounce, the smaller bottles, those are priced at $3.45, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. Then we have a 50-cent off one for the Extra and all the Mars Wrigley gums. So these are priced at $1.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay 85 cents. So that might make for a good filler item for Saturday. All right, we're going to skip over a couple of these. We've got Ricola. We've got $1.50 off one for the 8 or 16 count Angel Soft bath tissue. These are priced at $10.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.45. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the VitaFusion and Little Critters gummies. So these start out at $5.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. But look right below it, we have a 1 off 1 for the VitaFusion products. So the VitaFusion gummies, those are actually priced at $6. So if you want to pick up those, go ahead and use that 2 off 1 coupon and leave that 1 off 1 coupon alone. Next up, we have 1 off 2 for the Barilla pastas. So these are priced at $1.75 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50 for 2. All right, next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Children's Dimetapp and also a 2 off 1 for the Huggies diapers. We have a $1.50 off 1 for the Excedrin, $1.50 off 1 for the Advil products. So if you want to pick up the 24 count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. But hold off on clipping this one for now, because right after we clip the BioFreeze, the Pull-Ups, and the Voltaren, we're going to talk about a little glitch. So we have this 3 off 1 for the Advil 72 count or the Advil PM 40 count. Now this is the only glitch that I have found so far this week, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned because you just never know what DG is going to do. But here is our glitch for the day. If you want to pick up the 20 count Advil, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. So definitely hold off on clipping that $1.50 off one until you go ahead and use this 3 off 1 coupon first. All right, next up, we've got 4 off 1 for the hair color, 2 off 1 for the Robitussin, 2 off 1 for the Theraflu, 2 off 1 for the Advil Respiratory, 1 off 1 for the Nature's Bounty. We've got 1 off 1 for the Bounty Paper Towels, 1 off 1 for the Simply, Tide Simply, 1 off 1 for the Cascade, 1 off 1 for the Nature's Bounty, and 2 off 1 for the Downy products. So these are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. Next up, 1-off-1 for the Tidy Cats cat litter and a 1-off-1 for the Irish Spring and soft soap. We have a 1-off-1 for the Dove and Degree dry sprays. That's a DG store coupon, so I went ahead and clipped that one. We have 75 cents off for the Pine Sol. If you want to pick up the 24 ounce, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. We have 3-off-1 for the Dove 34 ounce body washes. So those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. Hopefully, we will get some DG store coupons to stack with these high value Dove coupons. We've got 1-off-1 for the BC or Goodies powders. 3-off-1 for the Dove Mint Plus Care Body Wash. 2-off-1 for the Axe Body Wash, the 32 ounce or larger. Those are priced at $8. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. We have a 150 off one for the True Living 24 count bath tissue. Those are priced at $8.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. We have a 1-off-1 for the children's ibuprofen, 1-off-1 for that word I cannot pronounce, and a 2-off-1 for the Kiss hair color products. Those are priced at $5, or they start out at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. And then look what is back. We have a 5-off-20 Gain DG store coupon. Now this one does expire on the 19th, but we're definitely going to have some Gain deals for this weekend. Alright guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons so far, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned because you never know what's going to pop up next. So if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because you guys know those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.